जी अब हम यहाँ से ऊपर मूव कर रहे हैं और ये आप देख लें नज़ारा, बहुत ही स्टनिंग व्यूज़ हैं और मस्त विजिट प्लेस है मस्त से के और बहुत मज़े की जगह है। यकीन योगा एंजॉय मीन्स पैसा वसूल जगह है, जस्ट पैसा वसूल। पीपल्स आर एंजॉयिंग यार एंड वन ऑफ देम इज गॉन। ये देखें ये टग ऑफ वॉर जारी है यहाँ पे। People are enjoying here our we are moving. ये देखें जी ये फैमिलीज एंजॉय कर रही हैं, उधर लोग बैठ के वाटर मेलन खा रहे हैं और मुझे भी खिलाओ और मिकी भी दिया। ये देखें जनाब, उफ अल्लाह, I'm just mesmerized by these views and today's visit was just simply superb and I want you people to also watch and enjoy if you can't visit the place, and if you can and if you are planning to go somewhere on these Eid vacation that are about to end, you must visit this place. This is just an amazing place, amazing. The view and weather are just stunning, but I recommend you you keep your sneakers with you. Do keep your sneakers with you because it is just we have to move that uphill to reach that road, so that will help you. Otherwise the place is just simply superb if you wanna do a camping. That here some of them are doing camping over here. See, you can see this is just a superb place to visit. See, we are moving against the water flow. Oof, it's quite hard, but I am doing this for you people. I want you to enjoy a complete view. Yeah, here see the water is just like a pure water. This you can see. Oof, yeah. Oh, bismillah. It is slippery, but and I think I'm on wrong side. I need to move to other way. So this is quite difficult for me. I just got stuck over here. I need to move to other way. So get it across because it's quite deep over there. Oh Allah! I am just crossing this. Oh Allah! Yeah, must visit place. See. Actually, the friends that are with me, they are local over here and they are quite tough to work on these rocky places. But Lale! Oh, it's quite slippery. The places are quite slippery. It's quite tough. Yeah, people are enjoying watermelon. Oh, जायका भी है या सिर्फ लाल ही है?
नहीं है, थोड़ा अच्छा है।
पीपल आर एंजॉयिंग। नहीं, थैंक यू
खा लिया,
थैंक यू।
खा लिया आप?
चले आगे इधर करें जस्ट काट के दे हमें। ये देखें भाई हमारे सर here we are gonna enjoy that watermelon. It looks like quite amazing. Can you please cut it for me? Yeah, ये मेरे मौलवी साहब को दे दे। मौलवी साहब कब पास मेरा अल्लाह याद करते। So we're gonna enjoy this. Oh, hope so it's gonna taste na. It's quite good. Thank you दोस्त। सारा काट ले और ये इनको छुरी वापस। हाँ। ओ बच्चों खाओ। Thank you so much दोस्त। यार ये जो फ्री की चीज़ें खाने का जो मज़ा है ना, वो कभी भी ऐसा मज़ा नहीं मिल सकता। बट आई एम स्टक। I just want to run across this rock. It's quite hard. I'm just tired as I'm moving against the water.
है ना? जायका पानी खराब कर छोड़ देना।
It's quite manda, but I'm खानिंग। These mountains rock are quite tough to cross. See, people are here in quite large numbers. They are enjoying. Families are enjoying. And I'm eating this watermelon. I'm just done. I will take you to other side of the just beautiful plate. This is my Maulvi Sahib who always enjoy eating. Yeah, the only purpose of his life is to eat something. Every time he keep on eating. ये देखें भाई इधर कैंपिंग के लिए तैयारी हो रही है. अस्सलामु अलैकुम. हाउ आर यू दोस्त? एंजॉय कर रहे हो? मज़ा आ रहा है? सर्दी ज़्यादा तो नहीं है? मेरा दोस्त काफ़ी कंफ्यूज है, बोल नहीं रहा. खैर, we'll see you next time. I'm going, yeah. Actually, these rocks are quite slippery. And I'm moving against the water flow, and it's quite tough for me. But I'll take you to the other side, I promise. I'll making this cover. Rocks are quite slippery, but I'm. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, दोस्त? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं? हाँ? हम इधर के लोकल ही हैं यार. But it's quite tough to move against the water. But I'm doing this. मौलवी साहब, खाई जा रहे हो? मौलवी is eating every time. As I told you. Thank you, boy. He's playing with me. Okay, you can, man. Oh. It's quite a treat. We met a friends back there. They give us a watermelon that we eat. We were exhausted, and then it will help us. See, my friends are moving up. Right? Where? Allah. Oh. They are making jokes, eh? Quite bad ones. Actually, they are trolling the people that come from other cities because they can't understand our language, and they are just making jokes on our own local language. But the rock is quite, huh? We'll catch up someone. Oh man, we are just tight. I had to leave them. I'm taking my shoes in my hand. I'm just tired. What? See, this pure water. Oh my God. लेकिन आपको शहर में पानी पीने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा, बट देखिए काफ़ी सारे लोग यहाँ पे घूम रहे हैं, और ये काफ़ी जो शहर से लोग आ रहे हैं वो थोड़ा यहाँ पे पोल्यूशन, वाटर पोल्यूशन की भी काज कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो जो रैपर्स वगैरह हैं वो खा के इसी तरह ही बॉटल रैपर्स फेंक रहे हैं. बट स्टिल द वाटर इज़ एज प्योर एज इट कैन बी. Oh Allah, that music of water is just mesmerizing. I'm just enjoying. It's like a pure music. That's the classical music. If you sit over here and listen to it for the 5 minutes, I bet you're gonna fall in love with this music of water. As if you are a lover of nature. These Pathans are enjoying. Hi babe. Hi. Are you enjoying, man? बच्चे कहाँ से आए हो? Assalamu alaikum. So we need to cross, and in fact we need to jump over here. Yeah. Oof. I'm done. So here there are a few people. Yeah, here they are having a tea break. Oh man, what you have? Oof, Allah. So over there the people are doing camping. They are cooking something for there. Because if you move down to the hills you will get tired and ultimately you must be hungry. And they are just, oh man, there you are doing camping over here. They are making kadai. Here sardars are floating in water. Assalamu alaikum dost. कैसे हो? अस्सलाम वालेकुम. See here people are doing camping. कैसे हैं दोस्त? Enjoy कर रहे हैं? हम हमारी मेहमान नवाजी करना पसंद करेंगे आप? चलें जी, we'll see you next time. Thank you. The people are so generous. They are ready to welcome us, but we'll move to the other side because there are a lot of people who are doing camping over there. But I'm just Fasadun. Oh Allah, let me get out of this and we'll give you parching. Oh, here are the views. The people are just away from the noise of the cities. They are here, the treasure of this waterfall, umbrella waterfall. It was discovered just few years back, and I am just surprised to know that so many people are visiting this place. And it's quite, I'm just quite happy to see this because these visiting places are always beautiful and I loved it. These rocks are quite slippery and I am just stuck over here. I want to move to the other side and so I'm just crossing. People are doing camping. You can see a lot of people over here. See. Assalamu alaikum. Oye Akbalniya. People are doing camping over here. You can see. क्या पकाया ओए? Oh falla, here people are taking pictures. They are Eid mandatory pictures. Some people are over there. See, here people are enjoying. Oh boom. Oh, see, yeah. Oh falla, on the every corner people are making food for themselves. Actually, they are enjoying. This is the true nature lover, and they are enjoying. See, Khari kya pakaya hoy? Yeah, motu are also khani. Oh, ऊपर से कितनी आवाम उतर रही है नीचे. Oh falla, they are just over the moon. इधर देखा and my people are asking me to make a selfie, so I'll stop this video over here. See, oh Allah.